Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the sixth tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about the pre and the HR tags in HTML. Now I've got a very simple HTML document here, and there is no tag in this document that we haven't already seen before. So on line 1 you have the doc type declaration, then you have the opening HTML and the closing HTML tags on lines 2 and 11 respectively. You have the head section, and between the title tags you have the text, the pre and the HR tags. And then in the body section you have the opening paragraph tag and the closing paragraph tag, and in between that you have some text. I have a story to tell you, then a bunch of full stops, then on the next line you have some full stops again, and then it starts with a S and ends with a Y with the more full stops between the words and ends. Now if I open this file in Google Chrome, this is how the text would appear on the website, right? So this is how it looks. Now let's say I want the text to appear just the way it is in my text editor. That is, I want all this white space between the period here, the last one here, and the first full stop on the next line to not be ignored but be significant. So what changes do I have to make to this file so that this entire text appears the way it is in this file? What I have to do is change this paragraph tag to pre instead of p, right? And I'll have to make changes to the opening as well as the closing positions. I'll save the file, and when I execute it now in my web browser, I see that the white space between this full stop and the first character on the line is not being ignored now, right? So this is what the pre tag does, and you must have also noticed that the font style has also changed. So that's another effect it has. It copies everything. It would just take this text and it would put it on the website just the way it is in the editor, right? And if you want there to be some space over here too, that is before the alphabet I, then what you can do is you can have some space here. So if I get in a few characters of space, save this file, and if I refresh it in the browser, I see that there is some space here now, right? So that's about the pre tag, and it's not really used much. I just wanted to tell you guys that it exists. And the next thing that we're going to check out in this tutorial is how we can get a horizontal rule or a horizontal line in our web pages to separate two sections, right? So let's say I have a paragraph of text here, and let's say I have another paragraph of text P, and then I can just call this second paragraph, and I'll have the closing P tag here, and I'll save this and refresh the web page in Google Chrome, and this is what I see. So I see this text, and then I see the second paragraph text. Now let's say I want a horizontal line between these two paragraphs. I'll use the HR tag for that, and it's very simple. All you have to do is type in HR, give a space, the slash, and then the closing angular bracket. I'll save the file, and when I refresh it, I see that I get this horizontal line, right? So that's all I wanted to discuss with you guys in this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one, in which we'll check out more features of HTML. And I hope you guys are having fun watching the tutorials in this course, and you can always send me messages in case there are things that I do not explain well to you guys, and I would be really happy to answer your doubts in case you have any, right? So thank you so much once again, and you may subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.